Hello everyone. A YouTube subscriber said I should help him solve this system of equations. L plus W equal to 49 and 2L minus 5W equal to 0 using matrix. If they say you should use matrix, please do not use Cramer's rule. Let me show you how to use it. First of all, let us rewrite the two equations. L plus W equal to 49. Then the second equation is 2L minus 5W is equal to 0. Now let us form a matrix of the constant coefficients of the left-hand side. The coefficient here is 1, so we have 1. The coefficient here is also 1, so we have 1. The coefficient here is 2, so we have 2 here. And lastly, we have negative 5. This is the matrix of the constant coefficients. Then you should multiply by the variables you are looking for, L, W. Then everything here equal to 49 and 0. So now let us make a declaration here. Call this matrix A, call these variables X, and call this B. All right, which implies that A times X is equal to B, right? But remember, we are looking for X, which represent L and W. So you can multiply both sides of the equation by A inverse. You should not divide both sides by A. Remember, this is a matrix. So X is equal to A inverse multiplied by B. So whatever this is said to be the value of X, which represent L and W. So first of all, let us find A inverse. How can we find the inverse of a matrix? Inverse of a matrix A is equal to 1 divided by the determinant of that matrix A, then multiply by its adjoint, the adjoint of the same matrix. So let's start by finding the determinant. Let me repeat the matrix here. Remember, the matrix A is equal to 1, 1, 2, and negative 5, if I am not mistaken. Yes. So to find the determinant of this matrix A, you take the leading diagonals, you multiply them together. 1 times negative 5, then minus 2 times 1, this other diagonal. This is what you need to simplify to get the determinant of A. This is negative 5, this is negative 2. Together you have negative 5, negative 2, which is negative 7. We are done with the determinant of A. Now we need to find the adjoint of the matrix A. So if A is equal to the matrix 1, 1, 2, and negative 5, then the adjoint of the same matrix will be equal to, switch the leading diagonals, then you multiply the other diagonals by negative 1. Do not switch these ones. So it will be what? Negative 5. If you take this one, you bring it down here. Then take 1 down here. So you have 1 here. Remain these two other elements. Just multiply them by negative 1. This becomes negative 1. This becomes negative 2. So this is said to be the adjoint of the matrix E. And this is only possible when you are dealing with 2 by 2 matrix. All right. So remember, A inverse, we say it is equal to what? 1 divided by the determinant of A multiplied by the adjoint of matrix A. So let's substitute. This is equal to 1 divided by the determinant of A, remember, is negative 7. You see that? Negative 7. Then multiply everything by the adjoint of the matrix A. This is the adjoint of the matrix A. Negative 5, negative 1, negative 2, and 1. So let's multiply them together. This is a scalar multiplication. Take this scalar, multiply by every single entry. So this will give us what? 5, negative 5 times the whole of this. Both numbers contain negatives, therefore the negatives will cancel. We have 5 divided by 7 right here for the first entry. This time this will give us 1 over 7. 1 divided by 7. Then come down here, this time this will give us 2 over 7. 2 divided by 7. And lastly, this times 1 will not change it. We have negative 1 over 7. So this is said to be what? A inverse. A inverse. So this is A inverse. But what is x? Remember, x is equal to A inverse times b. We are looking for x, remember, which is A inverse multiplied by b. This is equal to, let me start with A inverse. We have 5 divided by 7, 1 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7, and lastly negative 1 divided by 7. Then b, remember, b is equal to the whole of this, right? 49 and 0. So we have 49 here and we have 0 here. So how do we multiply this matrix together? You take this, you multiply by this, you add, you take this, you multiply by this. All right, that is the first row element. We have 5 over 7 multiplied by 49 plus 1 over 7 multiplied by 0. Then you do the same thing here, this times this, that is 2 over 7 multiplied by 49 plus negative 1 over 7 multiplied by 0. Let's simplify. You know, this will give us 0, likewise this, so pay attention to the first product here. We have 7 can divide 49 exactly 7 times, and 7 times 5 is 35. Do the same thing here. 7 divides 49 7 times, and 7 times 2 is 14. So this is the only thing we have, because plus 0 will not change anything. So this is the value of what? X. But remember, x represents what? LW, which implies that L is equal to 35 while W is equal to 14. So this is our final answers. The only thing we need to confirm is whether this will satisfy the two equations. We have L plus W. L is 35, W is 14. This is definitely 49, yeah. So it satisfies the first equation. What about the second equation? We have 2 times 35 minus 5 times 14. Will this give us 0? This is 70. This is also 70. Yeah, this is equal to 0. Hence, L is equal to 35 and W equal to 14. Solving using matrix. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.